Let us discuss some problems on the factorization. Exercise 14.1. Find the common factors of the given terms. The first one is 12x and 36. First, we can write 12 factors. 2 6 2 3. So it is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into x. 36 means 36 factors. 2 18s, 2 9s, 3 3s. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Observe it. Here 2 into 2 into 3 are the common factors. So common factors of 12x, 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 is the common factor. Okay. And common factors means 2 into 2 into 3 are the common factors. And second one, 2y equal to, we can write it as 2 into y. 22xy can be written as 2 into 11. 2 11s are 22 into x into y. What are the common factors? 2 and y. So, common factors of 2y, 22xy equal to 2 into y, 2y. Okay. Third one. 14pq. 2 7s are 14 p into q. Those are the factors of 14pq. 28p cube q square equal to 14 2s are 28. So 2 into 2 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28. P cube means write in p 3 times. Q square means write q in 2 times. Then here, what are the common factors means 2 7 pq, 2 7 pq. Okay. So common factors of 14 pq, 28 pq q square equal to 2 into 7 into p into q. That is equal to 2 7s are 14. PQ is the common factors of the given two. Fourth one, 2x can be written as 2 into x. 3x square can be written as 3 into x into x. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So, no common factor. So, common factors means it is only, we can write it 1. Okay, so common factors of 2x, 3x square, 4. Only 1 itself, only common factor. Why? Because 2 can be written as 2 into 1. But comparing of all other terms, here 2x is there, here 3x, x is there, here 2 into 2. In this x is absent, here 2 is absent. There is no other than 1 common factor. Only 1 is a common factor. If no other terms are common means just we can take the common factor of the 3 is only 1 is the common factor. Next, fifth question. Fifth question is 6abc, 24ab square, 12a square b. Sixth one, 16x cube minus 4x square, 32x. Seventh one, 10pq, 20qr, 30rp. Eighth one, 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. Here, fifth question solution is 6a, b, c can be written as 3 2s are 6 into a into b into c. 24a b square means 6 4s are 24. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, a into b square means b write in 2 times. 12a square b. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, a write in 2 times, b 1 time. So here 2 ABC, here 2 AB only, not C is common. Here 2 AB. So common factors of 6 ABC, 14, 24 AB square, 12 A square B equal to 2 into A into B equal to 2AB are the common factors of the fifth one. Sixth question. 16x cube minus 4, minus 4x square, comma 32x. 16x cube means we can write 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. X write in 3 terms, 3 times. And here minus 4 means minus 4x square minus 1 into 2 into 2 into x write 2 times. 32x means 16 to the 32. So 2 write 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x. If you didn't get the idea, then you can write prime factorization. 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. In the same way, 32 also 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Then you get it to write how many times. Now here you observe it 2 into x, here 2 into x, here 2 into x are the common factors of 3. So common factors of 16x cube minus 4x square 32x equal to 2 into x, 2 to the 4x. Okay. Next. Seventh one. 10 PQ can be written as 5 2s are 10 into P into Q. 20 QR can be written as 2 10s are, that is 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 into Q into R. 30 RP. 2 5s are 10, 3s are into R into P. So what is the common? 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Here no common of the variables. So common factors of 10 PQ, 20 QR, 30 RP equal to 2 into 5. 10 is the common factor of the given 3. Eighth question. 3x square y cube equal to 3 into x write 2 times, y write 3 times. 10x cube y square equal to 2 5s are 10, x write 3 times, y write 2 times. 6x square y square z equal to 2 3s are 6. X write 2 times, y write 2 times, z write 1 time. So what is the common? Here no 2, here no 3, here no 5. So x square and x square. Only x square is the x into x square is the common factors. So common factors of 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z equal to x into x equal to x square. Second question, factorize the following expressions. The first one is 7x minus 42, 7x minus 42. So 7x means that is 7 into x. 42 means 7 6 are 42. So we can write 7 is the common. Okay. So 7 into x minus 7 into 6. 7 is the taking out 7 into x minus 6. Remaining terms with the between of the sign x minus 6. So 7x minus 42 equal to 7 into x minus 6 is the expression of the factorization. Next, second solution. 6p minus 12q. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into p. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into q. Okay. 2 into 3 is the common numbers in the two expression. In the expression of the algebraic, 2 into 3 is a common in two terms. So we can take out 2 into 3, write remaining terms p minus q. It is equal to 2 3s are 6 into p minus q is the factorization. Third solution, 7a square plus 14a. 7a square can write 8 2 times plus 14 means 7 2s are 14 into a. What are the common? 7 and a common in two terms. So 7 into a right outside, the remaining terms in the bracket, that is a plus 2, that is equal to 7a into a plus 2 are the factors. Fourth one, minus 16z plus 20z cube. 16 means 2, write 4 times, 20 means 4 5s are 20. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, taking minus 1 into z. 20 means 2 into 2, 4 into 5, 20. Z 3 times. What are the common terms? 2 into 2 and z. Here 2 into 2 and z. So 2 into 2 into z are the common right outside. Next to write remaining. 2 2s are 4, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Here 5 into z, that is 5z square equal to 2 2s are 4z into, write positive term first, 5z square minus 4. Okay. This is a factorization method. Next, fifth question. Here, fifth solution is 20l square m plus 30 ALM can be written as 4 5s are 20, or here 20 30 can be written as 10 2s are 20 L 2 times m. 30 can be written as 10 3s are 30 ALM. Why I am taking 10 means here in the two terms 5 into 2 or 10 both are same, no? That's why here 10 is the common number into, or 20 and 30 can write in the 10 as a factor. So 10 is 1, L is the common, and 1M is the common. So we can take 10 L M right outside, 2 into L 2L plus 3 into A 3A. This is a factorization of the fifth one. Sixth one, 5x square y minus 15xy. 5x square means x into y minus 15 means 5 3s are 15 into x into y. Here 5 is the common number, x is the common variable, and y is also common variable. So we can take out 5xy, then x is the first term remaining minus 3. Okay, this is the factorization of sixth one. Seventh one, 10a square minus 15b square minus 20c square. 10 means 5 2s are 10, a square means a into a, minus 15 means 5 3s are 15, b into b. 20 means 5 4s are 20, c into c. Here in all, only 5 is common. A, B, C are the different. 2, 3, 4 also different. So 5 right outside. 2 into A, 2A square minus 3B square plus 4C square. Sorry, minus 4C square. Here plus 20C square only. Here also plus 20C square. Okay. This is a factorization of the seventh one. Next, eighth one, minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. Here in all 4 is there, so we can write it as minus 1 into 4 into a into a plus 4 into a into b plus 4 into minus 1 into c into a. And we can take minus 4 also, no worry about that. And here what are the common? 4a, 4a, here 4 and a. Taking out 4 into a, 4a, minus 1 into a, minus a, plus b, minus 1 into c, minus c. Next, ninth one. X square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square equal to x into y into z plus x into y into y into z plus x into y into z into z. In all, xyz is common. So we can take out x into y into z. The remaining terms we write x plus y plus z equal to xyz into x plus y plus z. Next, 10th one. Ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. Equal to a into x into y plus b into x into y plus c into x into y into z. Here in this, y is common and x is no x. Here x is common. Okay, here x. See here only xy. Okay, common right outside x into y. The remaining are a into x, ax plus b into y, by plus c into z, cz. It is equal to xy into ax plus by plus cz. Okay, this is the factorization method. Third bit, factorize the first question, x square plus xy, x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. See here, in these two terms, x is common. So we write x into x plus x into y plus 8 into x plus 8 into y. So from the first, x is common, then x plus y. 8 is common, x plus y. So x right outside, remaining terms, x plus y plus 8 is outside, remaining terms, x plus y. So x plus y is also taking out. Then x plus y write out. The remaining terms are here in the first term x, in the second term 8. This is the factorization. Okay. The second one is also 15xy means 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Here 15 can be written as 5 into 3 into x into y. Minus 6 can be written as 3 into 2 into x plus 5 into y minus 2. Here 3x right outside in the first two terms, just you observe it, 5y minus 2. Here the same thing, 5y minus 2 means 2 can be written as 2 into 1. Here 5 into x into 1. Why? Because the same terms are there in the second. In the last two terms means what is the common number? 1 is the common number. So here 3 into x, 3x, remaining are 5 into y, 5y minus 2. Here plus in this, the same 5 into y, 5y minus 2. What are the common here? 1 is the common. Just we remember it and we collect it here in the two terms. So 1 is the common, but we cannot write the why, because it's, we know that. Okay, next taking common, 5y minus 2 is the common. Remaining terms are 3x plus 1. Okay, it is the second one. Third one, ax means a into x, bx means b into x, minus a into y minus b into y. In this, x is taking common, a plus b. In this, minus y is taking common, a plus b. Is x common, a plus b. In this, both are having the negative sign, minus and y. So it becomes a plus b, minus y into a, minus ay, minus into plus minus. So minus by. Next, what are the common factor? A plus b is the common factor. Remaining terms are x minus y. Here common factors are a plus b into x minus y. Next, 15th question, fourth question. 15pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. 15 can be written as 5 3s are 15 into p into q, and 15 means 5 into 3 plus 9q means 3 3s are 9 q, 25p means 5 5s are 25p. Okay, here you observe it. What are the common here? 15 means here 5 3s are 15, then pq plus 1, it's not. If we can take these two, then 3 common, 5 plus 3q. Here 5p common, so then 5 plus 3q. Okay, we interchange here. These two we can interchange. So it is equal to 5 into 3 into p into q plus 5 into 5 into p plus 3 into 3 into q plus 5 into 3. Then from the first two, 5p is common. 5p is common. We can take out 5p. Remaining are 3q plus 5. Here 3 is common. Then plus 3 into 3q plus 5. So what is the factor common? 3q plus 5 is common. Then 5p plus 3. You observe it and you can collect what are the interchanging of the terms. Okay. Next, fifth question. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Here xy common, then 7 minus z. Okay, it is equal to z minus 7 plus 7 into x into y minus x into y into z. Here 7, 1 is common, 7 minus z minus 7. Here plus xy is common, 7 minus z. Here minus z is there. When we can take here minus 1 taking common, then it becomes 7 minus z plus xy into 7 minus z. Taking common 7 minus z, then it becomes minus 1 plus xy. So we can write it as 7 minus z into xy minus 1. Either this or 7 minus z minus 7 into minus 1 minus xy is also, we can take it. In both negative common, then minus into minus plus. Okay, the exercise is over.